and jeeps. The populist politician was ousted in April after losing a confidence vote in Parliament. Our reporter Tarub Asghar is in Lahore.
Right now I'm here at Lahore's Liberty Chowk, one of the iconic spots. Former Prime Minister and PTI's chairman Imran Khan asked his supporters to gather here so that he can formally start his long march from Lahore towards Islamabad. You can see thousands and thousands of people who are actually here, and they came here on the call of their leader Imran Khan. First-year leadership is also here. 6 months ago, Imran Khan was voted out from the office through vote of no confidence. Since then, he's been holding rallies and public gatherings in entire Pakistan to ramp up pressure on establishment and government so that they can announce early elections. You can see people are here, their families who came here to get into this long march. This long march is approximately a week-long activity in which they will go from Lahore till Islamabad, going through different cities of Punjab. We have one of the leader of PTI, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, Fawad Chaudhry. What kind of momentum, energy you are seeing in the public?
You can see yourself, hundreds and thousands of people are on the roads since morning, and everyone wants their democratic rights of elections. People are out on the roads. They want elections to be held free and fair immediately. That's the only way forward for Pakistan, and Imran Khan is leading this movement now, and hundreds and thousands of people will join him on his way to Islamabad.
Yes, as you can hear that he's saying that we just demand early elections, and people are welcoming their leader. If you could see that, the energy and the momentum, you can see they are welcoming their leader, and they are just gathered here on the call of former Prime Minister Imran Khan.